gato te baja las estrellas, yo te bajo Marte. Pero si no te lo hace ni rico, ¿cómo puede amarte? ¿Crees que es mentira todo lo que siento? Siempre soy el malo del cuento. Pero es que quiero darte, no paro de pensarte. Pregunta a tus amigas que he tratado de olvidarte, pero es imposible todo lo que vivimos. Baby, toda esa farra, todo ese humo, todo ese vino. Dañamos todo, dañamos el cuarto. El polvito eso no lo comparto. Y si tú quieres te parto. Bebes que noche de infarto. Espero que no sea alcohol, que si se enamora nos dejamos todo, el amor perfora. Baby, la volví señora. Abre la caja Pandora.
So yes, babes, today I'm at the Botanical Gardens, Grand Cayman. Yep, so just stay tuned while I check it out, cause never come up here yet. During all the years living in Cayman, never been to this place yet, so just stay tuned while I check it out and see what I go on. I see down there, so it says something about get a ticket, but I don't see where they're selling a ticket down there, so let me find out how it goes. So let's stay tuned and watch what I go on. So as you can see, place is very beautiful. Yep, place is very beautiful. It's nice. So far, not a lot of visitors here. There's a couple of vehicles out there, not a lot of visitors. Yeah. Nice waterfall. You can see that it's very old. It's been here for a while. You know, it's very old. It's been here for a while. Very beautiful. Nice settings. Trees and all that. Yep. Yeah, I love it. It's real country, cool breeze and all that. You know, relaxing. Come out of the hustling and the bustling. You know, carbon dioxide and all that crap. Yep. So it's a Kirkland Nixon Visitors Center, named in honor of a visionary Caymanian for his contribution to the development of the Queen Elizabeth II Botanical Park. His commitment to the preservation of the environment and his outstanding community service, approved by the Honorable Klein Lidan JRJP, Minister of Tourism and Development, erected on the 10th day of May 2013. Oh, it's been a while. So stay tuned as we see him get a ticket and see to the place. Yes, please. So because I'm a resident here, I'm actually visiting, not visitor. I only pay like $5 CI, you know. And then she said, I go here and I go left. Yeah, but it's quite a nice place. Quite a nice little place around here. She said, I go left, right. She said, I go right? Right or left, she said. I don't even quite remember. Oh, gardens this way. Oh, that way. A lot of little trails. Oh. Yep, so let's see what's happening up here. So not a lot of people here today. Yeah, so I get to tour all by myself. Oh, and this is the children's garden, and I guess it's under construction. Oh, it's big. It's look nice. Look very nice. There's people up there. This is closed, but I don't know if it's closed. There's somebody up there. Well, so let's see what's happening. Yeah, there are a lot of birds and stuff up here. Yeah. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it beautiful? Wow. This is beautiful. Oh, this is children's garden. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is cool. Just look at this. Look at the setup. It's nice, don't it? This is nice. I love it. But it's for kids. Wow. Let me take some pictures. Wow. This is what? Okay, these animals you'll find them sometime here in Cayman. This is a bigger one. It's made from just sticks. So like something that you would see in some movie. Like what the Arawaks used to live in, or some Indians, you know, some Arawak Indians here. Something like the house that they used to live in. And then they would use some coconut thing to put on the top there. So when water wouldn't, when rainfall it wouldn't wet them up. It's pretty nice. Hercules, Cayman and Scorpion. It's nice, isn't it? It's pretty. It's beautiful. That's a nice, too nice parrots and stuff. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Oh, a nice waterfall. Nice waterfall there. Whoa. It's nice. Look at it. Nice little waterfall. Yeah, I love stuff like this. Outdoor, nature. Awesome. So I don't have a tour guide because it's pretty scanty here. There's a little bit of people here. I see 1 and 2 people walking, checking it around. Yeah. So I'm just touring it by myself. Wow. I don't know what is this. Okay, I guess people going there. Children play here. Okay. So it's for kids again. Play here. Nice. So you can bring kids. The kids would enjoy this. But it's pretty nice. They say only children under the age of 12 may use this area. Cool. Only children under the age of 12. And this is a water. It's a splash thing here. The water spray up and kids run through it and play through it. That's nice, but ain't a lot of people today, so that's not in use. Okay. Cool, isn't it? So you go all the way up there, come back down. Oh, this is nice. Let's go up there. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is a bridge. Man, I didn't know this was just like a swing bridge. Yeah, it's nice. You get to see a place around. It's beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna go across another bridge, go over the other side. I'm not too fond of these bridges and stuff. So these are like little chair you can sit in, swing around and all that. Yeah, it's nice. You can always go further upstairs for further and further and further. Oh, actually that thing works. Yeah. Okay, so that's how it works. See how it works? Ooh, good. Beautiful. It's nice. This is beautiful. Yeah. This is just nature. Yeah, so we're gonna go further upstairs now. You know, if you bring your kids, you gotta have to accompany them up here. Yeah. So there's a lot of, yeah, put these here for protection. You know, kids love to climb up. Yeah. It's nice, isn't it? It's very nice. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, comment. You get me I say? Yeah. One fire, all the fire. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook too. If on Facebook too, all the fire 777. Evan Mackenzie, all the fire. Evan, all the fire 777 Mackenzie. On Facebook. Yeah, on Instagram, all the fire 777. Yeah. Support the movement. Yep. So stay tuned and watch what happens. Yes, but look at this slide now. And I've never slide on one of these slides before. So what about let's do it today? It said use of slide in wet clothes is not permitted. Thank you for correction. So how about me trying it out? Let me see. Let's go down. See you. This is fun. Never been in one. So it's actually my first time in a slide. But it's kind of nice. Yeah. Oh yeah, so the water here now. So actually the water is actually on. I didn't know that it was on. But I get to stop for a moment. Yeah. Let it stop for a moment. In here I have an octopus. Hello octopus. It's a huge octopus. A very huge one. Yep. So here we go across the bridge. Yep. There's the water. Just nice. Yeah, I just love settings like this. I just love settings like this. So stay tuned as we go on the other side. So yes peeps, the trail continues. The trail continues as I'm looking to see what else is here. What else is here? Intriguing, fascinating. You know, it's nature. It's really nice. Yep. There's a nice little house. Cayman Sun Garden and Rankin House. What is this about? Legend Rankin House, kitchen yard, medicine garden, okay, all that stuff. This is about, it's a heritage, so it says heritage garden. Cayman Sun Gardens. Plants were potted in all types of containers to provide sufficient water and soil. Image by Britannia Gill. Okay. Okay, cool. This is a nice little Caribbean boardhouse. Rankin House. Okay, cool. Body inside. Okay. Cool. So here's another bed. And here's another little bed. And here's please do not enter as we are trying to protect the integrity of our heritage building. Thank you. And this is another little room. This room where small. Cool. The old sewing machine and some grips. Those grips were from back in the days when you have those Pyrex and stuff. Yeah. Cool. This is cool. Cayman kitchen. This would be the outdoor kitchen. Cool, isn't it? Oh. Yeah, this is real old-fashioned kitchen. You know, so they're preserving things like this that was here from ages. Yep. And this now would be the outhouse, meaning the toilet or the restroom, wherever you are and you want to call it. Yes, outhouse. What happens in the outhouse stays in the outhouse. Yeah. So in Jamaica, I would call this a latrine. Yeah, some people call it drop booth. Because, you know, you didn't need to flush it. You just do your thing. And it went all the way down into the earth. Yeah. So in Jamaica, I would call it a latrine. Or a drop booth. Yeah. Oh, so they have a lot of herbs there and thing here. Headache bush and stuff like that. Cool. So flowers are being watered. Cool. Bush medicine. Yeah. In Jamaica we have this a lot. Fever grass and those bushes. Yeah. Cause our medicine come from bush. All medicine comes from bush. Yeah, so we'll leave here. So it's nice. Preserving the heritage. Yeah, we really need to preserve our heritage. If you don't know where you're coming from, you don't know where you're going. Yeah. There's another garden here. Yeah. Got a beautiful flowers. And flowers, but I don't know what they are. I'm not too much of a flowers person to that. But it's a pretty little nice place. Yeah. And one thing they it's a fragrant wild garlic. I didn't even know that this was the name of these things. See them all the time, but I didn't know the name. So that's the beauty about it. You get to know the name of every single thing. Yeah. Yeah. This see if I get out of this place now. Wow. Traditional fruits. Yeah, we all know that in the Caribbean, breadfruit. And this is I don't remember the name of this again. But some guinea thing, some plum thing. And this is a colored garden. Wow. It's beautiful. This is beautiful, just beautiful. Colored garden. Okay. This is just beautiful. This is nice. This is nice. This is why I love the Caribbean. I wouldn't give away the Caribbean for no big city. In New York or nowhere else where you all live and love it. I love it in the Caribbean. Caribbean is the best. I enjoy nature anytime I please. You know? Yeah. When I get tired of the hustling and bustling, then I run to nature. Yeah. Nature. Yeah. So let me take this trail and see where it leads me. Where it leads me, I will follow. Yeah. Wow. Isn't this nice? This is so nice. This is so nice. Yeah. What I want to see, I want to see the iguanas. Them I haven't seen those indigenous iguanas in a long time. Okay, so I should have went up there. In a long time I haven't seen them. See somewhere there, there's another little house up there. Let me see what's happening up there. Yeah. The one thing with Cayman, when you see little waters like this, you don't have to be scared of alligator or crocodile or anything like that. But this is Cayman. You don't have such thing. I've never heard of alligator or crocodile here in Cayman. Never. I don't have anything like that in Cayman. So when you see little waters like that, it's not like Jamaica, you have to be wondering the crocodile in it, you know? But not Cayman. Yeah. So we'll walk about here. Okay, yeah. Wow. Let's see what is up here. It's beautiful, isn't it? Wow. Somewhere you can sit and rest your legs. Wow. It's beautiful. I tell you, nature, nothing like this. There's nothing like enjoying a little bit of nature. Yeah. Right, let's go back down here and see where take us. Woodland Trail. Yeah. How big iguanas? How big?
Right there. You saw one there?
No. Okay. I'm looking for the iguanas especially. Okay, I see. Cool. Yeah? Okay. Yeah. Long time I haven't seen an iguana here. Yeah. So these are the indigenous one, right? Yeah. Oh, okay. So they have something in it like them. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. No, I didn't see him. Oh, okay. So a lot of them, they here now, they're breeding up back, right? Okay. Yeah. It's a long walk.
Yeah, but you got exit. You can take the exit, come back to the center.
Okay. Okay.
Instead of going down, you can read the sign and say exit, take the exit.
Okay. So yours are shorter?
Yeah, keep going that way. Keep going straight now.
Okay.
Don't take none of those going straight.
Okay. Alright. So let's walk a bit. Even though I have another place to go. And I have to reach there by 5 minutes to 3. Yeah. I have somewhere nice that I wanted to go from a long time, but I didn't have the time to go. So I'm going to go there right after I leave here. So yeah, so just stay tuned. I want to go on. Yep, so this is the Woodland Trail, as they say. So I'm in the Woodland Trails. Wow, it's a lot of walking. Yep. Boy. Still quite a lot of walking. Yeah. Yeah, that's a lot of walking and I'm tired. So I practically turn back. Yeah. I haven't done so much walking in a long time. So yeah, this is it, peeps. This is it. So, you know, I'm just going out back. But it's a very big place. It's a very big place and it's nice, as I say. All different trees and flowers and, you know, it's very beautiful. Yeah. Nice place. It's a very nice place. You can have a little picnic here also, you know. Yeah. It's very nice. I love how they're preserving heritage, you know? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, so let's stay tuned for more.
Dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away.
A little boardwalk over here. Oh, Orchard Conservation Area, open 13th of February 2010. Cool. This is just nice. Oh, alright. Where do I walk? Okay. I go right first. This is just nice, isn't it? No, Orchard. I guess to go right around. Yeah. Oh, this is a nice boardwalk. It's nature, peeps. This is the Caribbean. You get what I'm saying? This is the Caribbean. Yep. No place like the Caribbean. Yep. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. One fire, all the fire. This is nice though, really nice. Imagine have a piece of land where you can set up something like this for your kids. It would be great. You know? Yeah. It would be great. Really awesome. It's a good walk around. Yeah. It's just sweet. And the tree growing up through there. Yes, the tree actually growing up through there. Yeah. Yep. It's nice. It's really nice. A few more people coming. See it here, peeps. Yes, this is the end of the tour. Yep, actually the place to chill out, to chillax. Yes, people here chillaxing. Yep. This is just nature. Yep. It's beautiful, don't it? Okay, this is also a woodland trail. I didn't get to walk there. Probably gonna have to come back up here because it's a lot of walking. Couldn't manage all that today. Yeah, washroom. Yep. Showroom. So this is where you get your souvenirs. So you have a lot of souvenirs in here. Yep. Isn't it nice? So they actually have a box here that you put a tip in. So, no, I walk myself. Put something in there.
You done it wrong?
Huh?
You done it wrong?
Yeah. Actually, I have somewhere else to go by the cave, so I'm gonna have a 3 o'clock appointment. Because I already said it, so I don't wanna be late. Yeah. 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 Yeah, so it's actually nice. Look at this chair. It's cool. Yeah, I saw that's one. That's one. Yeah, that's one I saw. I haven't seen. Yeah. Oh, okay, that's why. Oh, okay, yeah, they love his son. Oh, yeah, that's true. These are souvenirs. The souvenirs are made in Cayman, right? Huh? Okay. Some nice birds here and stuff. Yep. Quite a few souvenirs here. I'm gonna have to come back this weekend because more people. Saturday and Sunday. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Let me grab me a drink. Yes, I'm very thirsty. After a long walk, I think I'm gonna get that. I don't know what to get. Gatorade. Let me get me a Gatorade. Yeah. See, I'm getting me a Gatorade. This is a free promotion for Gatorade. So Gatorade gonna have to pay me for this. But I get millions of buys for this. See a moment. $2. $2.50 US. $2, yeah, $2.50 US. Cool. It's nice. Okay, miss. You too. Yes, babe, so you're out of here. What's that? What's that? What is this? Oh. Oh, I guess this is the entire property. This is Queen Elizabeth Botanical Park. This is the entire property they're showing me here. Cool, right? Pretty nice. So let's get on over here now. About a place to be. Yep. Got other place to be. Got other place to be. Yep. So peeps, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Support the movement. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram, Fire 777. Yeah, and on Facebook, Devon Fire 777 Mackenzie. That is it. Alright. So, that's it. This is it. Yeah. We're in the Caribbean. The best place to be is in the Caribbean. So please, when I come to the Caribbean, don't forget to visit Queen's Botanical Garden in North Side. Yes, it's in the other side of the island. So, I'm here about 45 minutes drive, but it's well worth it. Very nice. Very relaxing. As you can see, very relaxing. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.
You were only mine, but I was blinded by a shallow light. I'll call your friends, I'll let them know that I'm so done with the tragic boys. Tonight I'll get into my zone. I'll dance until the tears are gone. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need your